Ritter. I'm the chief of the Sterling Fire Department. I've been with the Sterling Fire Department for 18 years. For 14 or 15 of those now, we've been assisting with the NJC Fire Academy. Of the 21 people we have at the station that are career, I believe 18 of those folks came through the Fire Academy.
In the program, there's so many different areas that you can go. As far as fire science, you can just go and get your basic Firefighter 1 and EMT cert, or you can go in and do vehicle education. You can do fire suppression systems. Our Firefighter 1 program is a very physically demanding program. During the academy, typically it's a 50-50 spread of hands-on on the training ground, dragging hose and pulling out dummies and doing physical activities versus the classroom time. And the college has their own piece of fire apparatus, and then we supply, either with Sterling Fire Department or through the college, we supply the rest of the equipment for the entire program. The college has an agreement with the fire department, so all of the classes take place at our fire training ground, so they're doing the same type of training that we would do on a daily basis.
I didn't expect to be so involved with everything. With the firefighters learning the way they do it, I expected more book, and it's a lot more hands-on, which is a lot better. I like it a lot more.
I'd say put in your all, and because that's what the instructors expect of you, and that's what you expect of the instructors, is for them to give you all their attention and knowledge. So
one of the biggest factors is just respect. I wanted to do wildland firefighting, and then they had wrestling too at NJC, so it was a perfect fit.
I'd just say, if you're committed, NJC is definitely a good fit, so you'll adjust well.